Say hello to the all-new Vitamix 780. With a touchscreen control panel that resists scratches and cracks and a sleek modern design, the 780 is your perfect kitchen companion. Choose from 5 easy program settings, as well as variable speed and pulse features to make delicious smoothies, hot soups, frozen desserts, and more. The 780 comes with a low-profile 64-ounce container that will hold plenty of the fresh, healthy blends you love and fits easily below most cabinets. To ensure durability for years to come, the 780 features a metal drive system, stainless steel blades, and a 7-year full warranty. The Vitamix 780, the next evolution in high-performance blending.
Here's how to use your Nutri Ninja with FreshVac technology. Once the FreshVac cup is assembled on the base, the program options will illuminate. Select Auto IQ Extract or Auto IQ Smoothie for one-touch operation. Once the program is selected, it will run automatically until the countdown timer reaches 0. For manual operation, select Start Stop for continuous run or Pulse for quick bursts of blending. If you wish to use your Nutri Ninja with the FreshVac pump, remember to do so before blending on a level surface and not on the base.
Get inspired to explore new culinary possibilities with Ninja Chef. The Ninja Chef features a 1500-watt advanced motor system, next-generation high-speed blade design, and Ninja's widest variable speed range, designed to power through tough ingredients and avoid bogging down. Choose from a menu of 10 chef-developed Auto IQ preset programs, or switch to manual mode for total variable speed control and customization with Ninja's widest variable speed range. From restaurant-style purees and salsas to smoothies, ice creams, frozen drinks, and even hot soups, Ninja Chef easily turns all your home-cooked inspiration into chef-quality results.
Introducing NutriBullet Balance, your personalized smart nutrition system that does all the thinking for you. Getting started is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Download the app, connect to the blender, start making balanced smoothies. The secret is the built-in Smart Nutrition sensor. It recognizes when ingredients are being added and calculates the calories, fat, carbs, protein, sugar, and more. And you can track your nutrition just like you track your daily steps. Nutrition just got way easier and so much smarter. Just build, blend, and track to create the perfectly balanced smoothie every time. Because when your balance is right, everything is right.
We all know the benefits that come from eating a healthy, balanced diet, but sometimes that's not always easy. Until now. This is NutriBullet, the original nutrient extractor. With the NutriBullet, you can now easily get your daily recommended fruits and vegetables in a fast, simple, and convenient way. Not by eating them, but by drinking them. The NutriBullet is a nutritional breakthrough designed for anyone looking to improve their overall health with nutrition. Here's how it works. First, add spinach for fiber, berries for antioxidants, and some banana for potassium. Then almonds and seeds for omega-3 oils. Add water and watch how the NutriBullet completely breaks everything down. Even the fiber, nuts, and seeds have been completely broken down, extracting all their essential nutrients, creating a smooth, delicious nutrient-packed smoothie that can literally transform your life. The secret is NutriBullet's 600-watt motor, combined with bullet-exclusive cyclonic action that forces everything into the NutriBullet extractor blades, breaking down and pulverizing the stems, seeds, and skins, releasing the essential nutrients trapped inside, taking ordinary foods and turning them into superfoods, giving you the strength and energy you need for a full, active lifestyle, whatever your age. The NutriBullet comes with everything you'll need to get started on your path to health and wellness, including the supersized 24-ounce cup, perfect for everyday use, and the 18-ounce cup, ideal for making healthy dips, dressings, and sauces. The NutriBullet makes getting those vital nutrients fast, convenient, and you'll be amazed just how great it can make you feel. To get the most out of your life, you need to get the most out of your food. NutriBullet. the original superfood nutrient extractor.
The new Ninja Mega Kitchen System, featuring professional blending to instantly crush ice and frozen fruit to create restaurant-quality frozen fruit drinks and smoothies. Professional juicing to instantly pulverize and liquefy ice, entire whole fruits and vegetables, making complete nutrient juices that retain all the nutrients and fiber with no tamping and no extra water. Professional power in chef-certified food processing with an 8-cup processing bowl and professional performance in chef-certified dough mixing, making up to 2 pounds of bread dough, pizza and pasta dough, cake and cookie batters in less than 20 seconds. Plus, you'll get all that same professional power and performance in a 16-ounce single-serve cup. It will change the way you eat. It will change the way you live. If you want to look and feel your best, then you must control what goes into your body.
Hi there, I'm Jennifer Horvath from the Vitamix culinary team. Today I'm going to show you how to use one of our Vitamix machines to make our Hint of Mint smoothie. On your machine you'll see an on-off switch, a high-speed variable speed switch, and a variable speed control dial. We'll show you how to utilize all of these in our recipe. You'll see that your machine will come with one accessory, a tamper. This helps with tougher blends like nut butters, hummus, or frozen desserts. But we'll get into that in a few minutes. Let's start by placing the container on the base and start loading it with the ingredients. The best way is to start with the liquids and smaller ingredients first and build up to the heavier ingredients. The heavier ingredients will push everything down towards the blades for easier blending. It's important to note that all the ingredients should be added in the order they're listed in the recipe. So here we go. 1 cup of water, 1.5 cups of green grapes, 4.5 cups of loosely packed fresh spinach, 6 to 8 fresh mint leaves, 2.5 cups of fresh pineapple chunks, and 1 cup of ice cubes. This recipe makes 3.5 cups. Secure your lid and do not remove the lid while blending. Next, ensure that the dial is set to variable speed 1 and the high variable switch is set to variable. Turn the machine on and slowly increase to variable speed 10. And then high. If you notice that your blend isn't moving well enough, you can use the tamper to help. Remove the lid plug and push the ingredients using the tamper in a clockwise motion towards the blades. The tamper is designed to be short enough not to hit the blades, so there's no need to worry about damaging your machine. After your 50 seconds of blending, your smoothie will be ready. Just pour into a glass and enjoy.